welcome to a new video. In this video I'm going to show you how to make vegan sour cream, and this is soy free and it uses cashew nuts and white cannellini beans. And it's a really simple recipe. I put it on everything. It's something that I've looked online and I've seen that a lot of people do sour cream using cashew nuts, and cashew nuts are really great because they give it that really creamy consistency, but it's also quite a sweet nut. So when I've done majority cashew nuts, it just tastes kind of like a dessert, whereas if I just use white beans, the white cannellini beans, it's a little bit more watery and it doesn't have that creaminess to it that you get in like sour cream and like the cashew consistency. So I've done it as a 50-50 and the result is really beautiful, creamy, amazing tasting sour cream. So I hope you enjoyed this recipe, and give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it.
So for this recipe you're going to need half a cup of cashews, half a can of cannellini beans that have been rinsed and washed, a juice of half a lemon, salt, pepper, and I like mine really garlicky, so 3 garlic cloves. You don't have to use garlic if you don't really want like a garlicky sour cream. You can just use 1 garlic clove or even no garlic cloves. So these are just the cashew nuts that are soaking, so soak them for about half an hour. And make sure you keep the juice of the cannellini beans because you can use them to make aquafaba, and that's really cool. And I'm going to do some more recipes with aquafaba, so you can just keep that in the fridge. Next you're going to get half a cup of the white cannellini beans and put that in your NutriBullet or whatever blender you want to use. Then you're going to add the cloves of garlic and salt and pepper, juice of half a lemon, and the soaked cashew nuts. And along with that you're also going to add half a cup of water. This is going to help the mixture blend easier. And then you're going to blend everything for about 30 seconds until you get a really smooth, creamy consistency. The NutriBullet's really good. It really kind of breaks everything down, so it is super, super smooth. And the consistency is amazing, but it gets even better once it's been refrigerated for about 2 hours. It gets really thick, really creamy, just the perfect consistency for sour cream. It's literally the most amazing recipe and it tastes so good. So this is the salad I like to make with it. It's kind of like a Greek salad, and I just use all these ingredients here and I chop everything up quite small, and then I just add the leftover butter beans or cannellini beans that I didn't use for the sour cream, and then I add about 2 tablespoons of sour cream, mix everything up. And the sour cream you can just keep in a sealed container for up to a week in the fridge. And this salad is so tasty. It's so garlicky and delicious, and it's a really good accompaniment to like falafels or whatever you want really. It's actually really tasty, especially with Polish or Russian dumplings, just dipping them in the sour cream. It's really good.